Transform your career with proven strategies that work. This comprehensive guide will equip you with everything needed to successfully navigate a career change after 40. Discover why midlife career transitions are becoming the new normal and how they can lead to greater fulfillment and success. Career changes. 43% of workers have changed careers at least once, with over half making the switch after age 45, Pew Research. Planning to switch. 50% of people over 45 plan to switch jobs within the next 3 years, OECD data. Higher earnings. 25% of career changers often earn more and enjoy better job security long-term than those who stay put. The data is clear: midlife career changes are not only common but often lead to improved professional outcomes and personal satisfaction. Tech revolution. Rapid advances in technology and AI are reshaping job markets, creating new opportunities while making some roles obsolete. Meaningful work. Growing desire for more meaningful, flexible, or higher-paying work drives professionals to seek better alignment. To start fresh and pursue the career you've always wanted. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step can be taken at any age. Your life experiences, accumulated wisdom, and developed resilience are not hindrances but powerful assets in any new endeavor. The concept of perfect timing is often an illusion. The right time is when you decide to make a change and commit to your aspirations. Many successful individuals have embarked on transformative career changes later in life, leveraging their extensive backgrounds to innovate and thrive in new fields. These stories remind us that personal growth and professional reinvention are lifelong processes, not restricted by a timeline. What truly matters is your passion, dedication, and willingness to learn and adapt. Don't let age-related doubts hold you back from exploring new possibilities. The richness of your past only strengthens your potential for a fulfilling future. Embrace the idea that every experience has prepared you for this moment, and the most exciting chapters of your career may still be unwritten. It's about finding alignment with your true purpose, and that can happen at any stage. This isn't just about changing jobs, it's about embracing a new phase of personal and professional fulfillment. The courage to pivot and redefine your path is a testament to your spirit and your capacity for continuous evolution. Your unique perspective, refined over years, is precisely what the world needs next. Understanding potential obstacles is the first step to overcoming them successfully. One of the most significant hurdles in a midlife career change often revolves around financial pressures. Transitioning can mean a temporary reduction in income, investments in new education or training, or the need to adjust to a new financial lifestyle. Managing these expectations and planning carefully for this period is crucial. Strategies such as developing a detailed budget, building an emergency fund, exploring part-time work or side hustles, and consulting with a financial advisor can help mitigate these concerns and provide a sense of security during the transition. Psychological barriers also play a substantial role. Fear of the unknown, imposter syndrome, the perceived risk of failure, and the emotional weight of leaving a familiar career can be daunting. You might question your decision, face skepticism from others, or struggle with a temporary loss of professional identity. Overcoming these involves building a strong support network, practicing self-compassion, focusing on your why, and reframing challenges as opportunities for growth. Recognizing the immense value of your accumulated experience and transferable skills can significantly boost confidence and counter self-doubt. Additionally, skills gaps can emerge as a practical challenge, especially when moving into a significantly different field. New industries may demand specific technical proficiencies, digital literacy, or a fresh understanding of market dynamics. However, this is an area where proactive learning and adaptation can shine. Pursue online courses, certifications, workshops, or even volunteer positions to acquire new skills. Networking with professionals in your target industry and seeking mentorship can also provide invaluable insights and accelerate your learning curve. Your prior experience often provides a foundation for rapid skill acquisition and a unique perspective. Navigating these challenges requires resilience, strategic planning, and a strong belief in your ability to adapt. By acknowledging these potential obstacles upfront and equipping yourself with the right tools and mindset, you can transform perceived limitations into stepping stones toward a truly fulfilling new chapter. Each challenge overcome will only strengthen your resolve and validate your courageous decision to pursue what truly excites you. Financial pressures. Managing family responsibilities, mortgages, and college tuition while facing a temporary income reduction. Psychological barriers. Overcoming the fear of starting over, adjusting to new roles, and dealing with imposter syndrome. Age discrimination. Ageism makes job searches challenging, but AARP reports 41% of older workers still experience it. Skills gaps. Addressing lack of experience in new fields and keeping pace with rapidly evolving industry requirements. I was 41 when I transitioned from finance to HR. Taking an entry-level role was humbling, but it opened doors I never imagined. The key was embracing the learning curve with genuine enthusiasm. This example illustrates a crucial truth: managing your ego and maintaining a growth mindset are essential for successful career transitions. Humility becomes your superpower. Follow these battle-tested strategies to navigate your career transition successfully. Evaluate and set goals. Conduct honest assessment of current situation and establish clear, measurable career objectives. Identify transferable skills. Map your existing expertise to new industry requirements and highlight valuable crossover abilities. Build networks. Cultivate multi-generational professional relationships and leverage diverse industry connections. Update materials. Refresh your resume and craft targeted cover letters that address career change positively. Acquire new skills. Invest in relevant courses, certifications, or training programs to bridge knowledge gaps. Prepare for questions. Develop compelling narratives that address experience gaps and transition motivations confidently. Own your age. Embrace your experience unapologetically and reject internalized ageism that holds you back. Soft skills gold. Leadership, communication, and problem-solving abilities remain highly valuable across all industries and often improve with experience. Hard skills update. Technical competencies can be learned or refreshed through targeted training, online courses, and hands-on practice. Real-world example. A psychotherapist successfully pivoted to business leadership consulting by leveraging deep people skills and emotional intelligence. Connect across generations. Build relationships with younger professionals who can provide fresh industry insights and technological perspectives. Join professional communities. Actively participate in industry groups, attend networking events, and maximize LinkedIn for meaningful connections. Seek guidance. Find mentors and coaches who can guide your transition, provide accountability, and boost your confidence. Learn from remarkable individuals who reinvented themselves and achieved extraordinary success. I was 40 when I finally launched my own fashion line. People said I was too old to start over, but I proved that passion and determination have no expiration date. After decades in editorial roles at Vogue and Ralph Lauren, Vera Wang took the entrepreneurial leap at 40. Her wedding dress empire became a global phenomenon, proving it's never too late to pursue your passion and build a lasting legacy. Julia Child's transformation from wartime researcher to world-famous chef and cookbook author began when she was 36, proving that reinvention fueled by passion and persistence can lead to extraordinary achievements. Age 36. Moved to France, discovered passion for cooking. Age 49. Published Mastering the Art of French Cooking. Career switches in trades. Mid-40s professionals are retraining as electricians, plumbers, and technicians, discovering high-demand careers with solid salaries and job security. Tech transitions. Many professionals over 40 are successfully entering technology fields through coding boot camps, online courses, and career accelerator programs. Healthcare heroes. Career changers are finding meaningful work in nursing, therapy, and healthcare administration, driven by desire to make a difference. Master the final steps to secure your ideal position in your new career. Highlight transferable skills. Emphasize relevant abilities and accomplishments that directly apply to your target role, making clear connections for employers. Strategic formatting. Use functional or hybrid resume formats to minimize experience gaps while showcasing relevant qualifications prominently. Tailored cover letters. Craft compelling cover letters that address your career change positively, focusing on enthusiasm and unique value proposition. Master the why change. Question. Prepare a positive, forward-looking narrative that demonstrates thoughtful decision-making and genuine passion for the new field. Show eagerness to learn. Demonstrate adaptability, curiosity, and willingness to embrace new challenges while highlighting your learning agility. Emphasize unique value. Articulate how your diverse experience brings fresh perspectives and valuable insights that benefit the organization. Strategic choice. Midlife career change is a strategic, achievable decision that can lead to greater fulfillment and success. Lifelong learning. Embrace continuous skill development, build meaningful networks, and own your unique story with confidence. Take the leap. Your perfect role is waiting. Armed with proven strategies, take that confident leap into your next chapter.